Shasta Daisy. The Shasta Daisy is one of the most recognizable daisies in the world. It was developed in the United States in the late 19th century by combining several different daisy species. Its bright white petals and golden center create the classic daisy appearance that many people picture immediately. Shasta daisies are popular in gardens because they bloom for a long time and are relatively easy to care for. Their clean and cheerful look has made them a favorite flower in parks, homes, and public landscapes. Oxeye daisy. The oxeye daisy grows naturally across much of Europe and parts of Asia before spreading to other regions. It has a simple beauty, with white petals surrounding a yellow center. Unlike many cultivated garden flowers, this daisy often grows in meadows, roadsides, and open grasslands. It plays an important role in supporting pollinators, such as bees and butterflies. While admired for its wild appearance, it can spread quickly and become invasive in some environments. English daisy. The English daisy is a small but charming flower that has been appreciated for centuries. Native to Europe, it often appears in lawns and grassy areas. Its flowers can be white, pink, or red, creating a colorful display despite their modest size. Throughout history, the English daisy has appeared in folklore, poetry, and garden design. Its compact growth makes it especially popular for borders and decorative flower beds. Gerbera daisy. The Gerbera daisy is known for its large blooms and remarkable range of colors. Originating from southern Africa, it comes in shades of red, orange, yellow, pink, and white. Its striking appearance has made it one of the most popular cut flowers in the world. Florists frequently use Gerbera daisies in bouquets because they bring brightness and energy to floral arrangements. Their bold colors help them stand out among many other daisy varieties. African daisy. The African daisy comes from southern Africa and thrives in sunny conditions. Unlike traditional white daisies, it often displays vivid shades of purple, blue, orange, yellow, and pink. Many varieties feature contrasting centers that add even more visual interest. Gardeners value these flowers because they can tolerate dry conditions better than many other flowering plants. Their colorful blooms make them a common choice for warm climate gardens. Marguerite daisy. The Marguerite daisy originates from the Canary Islands and is prized for its long flowering season. It produces abundant blooms that can be white, yellow, or pink. The plant grows into a bushy shape, creating a full and lively appearance in gardens. Because it flowers continuously under favorable conditions, it is often planted in containers, borders, and decorative landscapes. Its cheerful display provides color for much of the growing season.